Good day to you guys. So on this vlog we are actually in the village. If you haven't watched my other village vlogs, kindly head on to my playlist and search for the travel vlogs. That is where you'll find all other travel vlogs that I've been doing. So I'm currently in the village. That is why I'm giving you African village vlogs. As you can see over here, we were heading to the market with family. That's my sister. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, please do so. So we decided to show you this place where you can get a piece of chicken, a very tastiest chicken, for just 100 shillings. That is around 9 cents USD. Like convert 100 Kenyan shillings to the USD. So they sell here the chicken from 20 Kenya shillings. That is like something 1 cent. Like convert all these rates in your normal currency, you will be able to know. So this is a place that has not been there, because it's been long since I came to the village, and once I realized that there are so many things, there are so many different changes. Like this place has been my forever place anytime I visit the market. So here we just came to have a taste of this chicken because we didn't have money. Like currently the economy is too much, but I just thought of showing you like the place which is more affordable, like getting a piece of chicken, a piece of fried chicken for just 100 shillings. That is amazing, and you can eat and eat and eat while you're just seated there. It's for free. You can have yourself like some fries with chicken. The fries goes for 50 Kenya shillings, and also you can request them to cook for you ugali, because you know ugali is the Kenyan staple food. You can make a request for them to cook ugali, and then they deep fry for you the chicken. You can buy the chicken, the uncooked chicken, the fried chicken, whatever, like any kind of chicken you would love to have. It is here, and this is Sabatia. Sabatia is found in Kakamega County, and it's just within Kakamega County. So this is part of what Sabatia offers to you. Anytime you visit the village, we always look forward to the tastiest meals and all that, because we know the village is full of natural food and all that, and that is why I love the village so much. So I just decided to show you the village market, the prices of the things, and the originality of everything that you could find in the village. Like the village, living in the village, like if I had an opportunity to live at any place that I would love, I would live in my village, because this village offers everything from the green nature, from the peaceful nature, away from the noise. Like when you're in the village, the only sound you can hear, it's the sound of birds, and then the sounds of the leaves from the trees, the sound of the rainfall. That is the peace that you get from the village. And apart from that, you can see we have like food is plenty. As long as you know how to deal with your finances and all that, food is plenty, from the natural food which we get from the farms. If you if you have a farm, you can actually like plant your green vegetables, you can plant your fruits. Like I'll get to show you more because I'm still in the village. It's going to take long for me to be back in town. So currently we are doing village vlogs, and I hope you subscribe, I hope you like, I hope you comment, share my videos, and also you can just tell me what else you need for me to post. But currently we are on the village vlogs, and let's see how it's done. I hope you enjoy my videos, so keep on enjoying as you get to see the beautiful side of Sabatia market, and you just get to enjoy, because I know not so many people, especially my subscribers, I know a lot of them, they're not from my country, they are from the other side of the countries where you don't get to see all this. So enjoy this vlog by subscribing, click on the notification bell, and watch more and more videos which will come from me about my village. So enjoy. Asante. Asante. Kwa sawa?
ndio huko.